Alright, welcome guys. Today's video, we're going to jump on a train and we're going to go from over here in Thonburi and we're going to go up to Kanchanaburi. It's been a long time since I've been down here to this train station. This is not Hualampong, this is not Bangsu, this is Thonburi, and it's on the other side of the river. So it's an old station and it's the way you go to Kanchanaburi. So let's look around and then we'll get on the train and go. Now, there's a huge market over here. It's been probably 10 years since I've been to this train station. But I'll have to come down here another day and look around here. This looks pretty fun. Alright, so here's the ticket booth. And it's kind of chaotic. Everybody's going up to the river today. So we're going to go and we're going to jump on this train here in a bit and head on over. Here's the train we're going to take, and all the seating is fans. So there's no AC on this train. Let's take a look at what we got here. See if we can find a seat. This train leaves at 7:45 to go to Kanchanaburi. It should take about 3.5 hours or so. Alright, and away we go. So this station, Tonburi, is on the other side of the river. It's in kind of like near Plain Cow, and there's a couple other things here. There's actually the Royal Barges Museum. It's nearby. That's worth a look. It's one of the best things I've seen in Bangkok. It's a lot of fun to see. There's the MRT. So you can get to the train station by the MRT and then it's about a 700-meter walk. Alright, so the ticket prices for a Thai is 25 baht and for a foreigner is 100 baht. They charge more for the foreigners for some reason. Now the ticket collector guy, the ticket stamper, he's coming right down here. And he just, you hear him clicking with the little the hole punch, and then he comes over and punches a hole in your ticket to check. And if you don't have a ticket, he will collect money from you right here on it.
Okay, good morning. Okay.
Hong Kong.
Okay. Thank you.
ขอบคุณครับ
ตรงไหนครับป้าฮะทุ่งทองเหรอครับอ๋อลงตรงกลางนะ
Lady's selling some seaweed and some of the little crepes. Selling the fruit and the little eggs. Nam Pao, me?
Nam Pao.
Nam Pao.
20 บาทจ้า
So 20 baht for the little eggs. And they just walk up and down the aisle and you can buy it from her.
เห็นไหมจ๊ะ
So stops at every little stop along the way. So we're almost to Nakhon now. Squat toilet.
ข้าวเหนียวหมูข้นข้าวเหนียวหมู
Pork and sticky rice. New construction for the new station. This is Nakhon Pathom, and right over there is the big jetty, the 120-meter tall jetty, the largest Buddha monument in the world. Yeah, that's the new engine. Here we are, we're in Kanchanaburi. And right over here they set up a little night market in the evening. And a bunch of people getting on and off. Alright, so let's go.
เมืองการนะครับเตรียมตัวเลยนะครับสบายไว้
Alright guys, so that's going to finish up our video over here. We finally made it all the way up here to Kanchanaburi. So we took the train from Thonburi up here to Kanchanaburi. Now the ticket prices were 25 baht for a Thai or 100 baht for a foreigner. And it's pretty simple to do. Took about 3.5 hours or so. And you get to see a lot of the countryside on the way up here. And it's easy to get to. You just have, the hardest part is probably getting to Thonburi, but you can take it from Talang Junction if you want. And the BTS goes right there, to Talang Chan, if I could speak. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you click like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends if you want. And let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. And if you want me to do something different, tell me that also. So from up here in Kanchanaburi, remember guys, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.